Hi, I'm Kathleen from the Center Hall Area Branch Library. Today I'm going to go over some of the supplies and directions that you'll need for completing Nessie, the Nessie Sewing Box, part of the Summer Library Pursuit Week 1. So in your box, you will have a copy of the Nessie pattern. So this is what it's going to look like. And it's going to have the pattern and directions to create your own Loch Ness Monster stuffed animal. Also in your box, you're going to have some fabric. A thin fleece is recommended. You're going to have some thread, a sewing needle, some pins, a bag of stuffing, and some buttons for eyes. Some things that you may have at home that are not included in the box are scissors. I would suggest fabric scissors if you have it, but regular scissors could work as well. A ruler, a pencil, and some tape. So I'm going to go over some tips that might help you as you move forward with this project. So the pattern suggests an appliqued eye. If you have black fabric, white fabric, or fusible web at home, you are welcome to use the directions for that. For our purposes, for the kit, we are just providing 2 buttons to sew on for the eye. The pattern also says that you can use an alternative color. So here, I'll show you what a finished one looks like. You can use an alternative color for the belly and for the spots on the side here. If you have a different colored fleece that you'd like to use for that, feel free. For the purposes of the box, we are just going to provide 1 color. And as you can see, you can make it all 1 color and it looks just fine. Another part of Nessie that the pattern has is a fin at the top of the head. So it would go like this. If we have enough fabric that you can do this part, but we will not be covering those directions in any of the instructional videos. Another tip is if you have a sewing machine at home and you would like to use it for this project, please do. Sewing machine will make it faster and the stitches will be stronger. But I know that some people do not have sewing machines, so if you want to do it by hand sewing, that is perfectly fine. We have the thread and the needle that will be provided in the box for that. And I also hand sewed the example one and it turned out pretty well. So the next video we will talk about cutting the pattern and laying it out on the fabric. See you then.